So here with Leah from Mosaic Training. Leah is one of the training providers that's delivered the apprenticeship journey for Ellie on her customer service practitioner apprenticeship. So tell me, Leah, how have you found the apprenticeship journey toolkits that Active IQ have supplied you? Have you found them supportive in meeting the 20% off the job training, and also to give the apprentice a good understanding of what they're going to be assessed against once they've completed their on-journey programme, completed their gateway meeting and moved on to their endpoint assessment?
Yeah, we found it really quite clear, because we've been working with the learners for like the last 5 or 6 years on apprenticeships, and they're used to the learner achievement portfolios. Obviously they're used to the Active IQ in the way that the paperwork's set out, and what we found was with the endpoint assessment paperwork, the showcase, it is very clear in the way that the assignments and the layouts are all done. And what is nice as well is at the bottom, obviously, it has the pass, merit and distinction. So it has ways that we can obviously work with the learners to obviously showcase themselves at a level that they feel stretched and challenged to. It's great as well because obviously with the 20% off the job, obviously there's so much shadowing, peer observations, everything that they're doing, that obviously we can collate for that as well. So that's great.
And have you used some of the other additional resources that Active IQ offer to support the apprenticeship journey, i.e. the 20% off the job training, like our lecture packs with PowerPoint presentations? You found those resources useful?
Yeah, so Ellie's assessor that comes out has been using that. There was a whole host of resources that came to go in line with the customer service, along with what we do for in-house as well, which was great. And also that they were given an e-package as well that they could do, and obviously we've been monitoring that and making sure that the guys have been utilising their e-learning as well to support it. And
have you found that good value, because all of those resources are all free and part of the endpoint assessment fees? Have you found that that's a good package offered by Active IQ?
Yeah, so far. I mean, it's our first one, so obviously we're now going down the route of other standards with other funding attributed to it, but obviously, yeah, for us at the moment as an employer provider, that's been spot on.
Excellent.